Why is it that some people feel instantly calmer the moment they start cleaning, while others feel stressed just looking at a messy room? It seems like two completely different reactions, but they actually come from the same place in your brain, and the real reason is deeper than you think. Loving to organize isn't really about being neat. It's about feeling in control. When life starts to feel unpredictable or overwhelming, your brain searches for something it can control, and that's when organizing becomes more than just a habit. It becomes a coping mechanism, a way to create order outside when everything inside feels out of place. Had a long, stressful day? Suddenly cleaning a drawer or rearranging a shelf feels weirdly satisfying, and that's not random. That's your brain trying to stabilize you. Every small task you complete, making your bed, wiping a table, your brain releases dopamine, that tiny reward that says you did something right, and at the same time a clean environment helps lower cortisol, your stress hormone, which is why that light feeling after cleaning isn't just in your head, it's your biology resetting itself. But there's something even deeper happening. Your subconscious treats your surroundings like a signal of safety. Clutter doesn't just sit there quietly. It constantly whispers unfinished, pending. You should deal with this. And for people who feel things deeply, that whisper becomes overwhelming noise, so they don't organize to impress others. They organize to create mental silence, to feel safe, to finally breathe. For some, organizing becomes a form of self-expression. Their space reflects who they are, the way they arrange books, place plants, design a room. It's not just decoration, it's identity in physical form. And for many, the act of cleaning itself becomes a kind of meditation, not sitting still, but moving, sorting, arranging, and grounding themselves in the present moment. And here's the part most people don't talk about. Organizing is often about letting go. Every item you throw away, old clothes, broken things, unused gifts, isn't just clutter leaving your room. It's pieces of your past being released. Small decisions that say, I don't need this version of me anymore, and that's why sometimes decluttering feels heavy, even emotional, because you're not just cleaning your space, you're rewriting your story. Your environment reflects your inner world. A clean space quietly tells you you've got this, while a messy space keeps reminding you you're overwhelmed. So when you clean, you're not just moving objects, you're shifting your internal dialogue, changing the outside to heal the inside, because organizing isn't about things, it's about choice. This matters, this stays, this can go, and every choice shapes how you feel, clear, calm, intentional. So next time you feel better after organizing, don't ignore it. That's not just cleaning, that's self-care happening in real time. Your mind, your body, your emotions, all aligning one small action at a time. Peace isn't something you find, it's something you create. So tell me, are you like this too? What does organizing do for you? Drop it in the comments. And if you enjoy understanding everyday behaviors like this, make sure you subscribe. Because here we don't just see life, we understand it.